How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
My country people. E get rumors wey don go on. E get wetin dey happen now. We be say nobody wan put mouth. Nobody dey put eye for wetin dey happen. No worry, play this video. Watch this video wey I go play for you. Watch am to the end. You see wetin happen. The country wey people dey complain say fuel things dey hard, everything dey rise every day. People now they don gather the fuel, dey keep am somewhere, they dey install am somewhere. Then this one now will come show the evidence say all these things dey somewhere, but now God don review out some of the secrets now. Fuel don dey flow for ground like water. People dey fetch am anyhow. When you watch the video finish, you then you come back or come tell you wetin I wan tell you.
This keeping people, all these keeping people. Okay, now, okay, if they dodge them. Okay, that one dodge them. Oh boy, this one now they happen for a share. Just now. Jesus Christ. Oh, but see too much money.
Nothing dey. Now they chook off for street, they waka, dey fry akara. For street, they don comot for government house, dey enter street. Wetin dey show you good example say the condition wey you dey inside make you no complain, manage and endure. Okay? Na all those things. This kind of country don tire me. I don
think say they wise. You are a mumu man.